So you rolled a 3 in the Stitch is Right game. It's faux popcorn time, and we're going to start in the back loop only. If you are keeping the same color, just chain 1 and continue along. So if you're adding new color, put it onto the hook, going into the back loop only, and then scooping it through, and then pulling it through the 2. Okay, that's a standing single crochet. And I would go up over top of the stragglers that you have in position so that you can hide those in easier. So you're just gonna single crochet in the back loop only. If you're new to crochet, always 2 strands make up a stitch. If you go towards the strand that's away from you the furthest, that's called the back loop. So back loop, single crochet all the way across, and this will create a nice ridge for this new section that's going in. I'll see you at the end of row number 1 in a moment. Once you're all the way across, just turn your work and begin row number 2. Row number 2 is where the faux popcorn starts. You're going to chain 1 and just use the regular stitches and single crochet in the first. The next one will be a treble crochet, so wrap the hook twice and into the next stitch, pull through, and then pull through 2, 2, and 2. And by putting a single crochet in the next, it causes that to squat down, and it squats away from you, which is the good side of the project, which is why we're on the back side of this right now. So you're going to treble the next, and then single crochet the next one. Okay, so that's going to be a repeat, so treble and single, treble, single, right to the end. I'll see you at the end of the row. The last one will be a single crochet before turning it around, and you'll see that the faux popcorn is facing towards you. Let's move on to row number 3. Row number 3 is going to allow us to stabilize ourselves, so we're going to chain 1 and apply 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all the way across. So just 1 in the tops of each cluster, 1 into each single, and do that all the way across. So the last row plus this row is going to give you the stitch combination that you need. Okay, so do this all the way across. And then we'll talk about our repeating that we'll have. Okay, now that you've gone all the way across, the last row, which is a treble, the faux popcorn row, and then the single crochet is your combination. So what I need you to do is that for the next 4 rows, you're going to repeat number 2, which will be a faux popcorn, and then number 3, which will be a single crochet. Then you'll repeat number 2 again, which is faux popcorn, and then a single crochet. And by the time I see you again, you'll have 3 of these visuals that you'll have. So please repeat rows number 2 and 3 to take you to the end of row number 7, where I'll pick you up then in a moment. So I'm at the end of the repeat now, and you can see that there's 3 rows of this faux popcorn. I just did a single crochet row across, turning it to the wrong side of the work to finish off our project in this section. So just chain up 1 and apply 1 single crochet all the way across. So like the rest of them, just roll the dice again to see if this color is going to stay in play. And if not, you're going to fasten off, and then I'll see you on the next game ahead. So just roll, and I'll see you on whatever stitch you get next time.